Hey there, I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today, for those of you like me are YouTubers or not, but just need an accessible studio lighting kit, let me show you this one from Andoer. It cost me 33 euros, something like $38 or 28 pounds, but you even have a version with a weaker light for 25 euros, meaning $28 or 21 pounds. It's accessible in price, but how about quality? Will it be any good? Let's find out. I'll start by unpacking here in the table the kit, and then I will move the recording to another area to assemble it. So let's do this. Here you have it. All kit is stored inside this bag. Pretty cool. So if you are starting in YouTube videos or just need an extra set of studio lights and don't want to invest much, for 33 euros you have this awesome Andoer Studio lighting kit with a total power of 180 watts per set or softbox. And if you want later, you can upgrade it to 135 watts bulbs and have a combined power of 540 watts per softbox. That's a lot. This kit brings everything you need, including the carry bag. I hope that you enjoyed this video and in some way it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like it. A big thumbs up is appreciated, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell to be the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to meet you in my next video. Cheers!